Okay, hi folks. I have a Luna Direwolf here. I tested it with my multimeter. It's fully charged to 57 volts. I've got a BBSHD that recently crapped out on me, and I can't figure out what's wrong. I replaced the controller. This is a new controller from Golden Motor. And then I have a spare BBS02 that I plugged in to a brand new egg rider display and a brand new throttle, and it worked this morning. But then, so I decided to take my BBS HD off of my bike, bring it inside to troubleshoot it, since I could get everything working with the BBS02. Now I came in and it didn't work with the BBS HD. And so I plugged it back into the BBS02, and now the BBS02 isn't working. So I have a hard time believing that the battery sent some sort of power surge to short out both of these, or to short out the BBS02. I feel like I've checked all the connections at this point, and I've just ordered a new one of these cables, the extension cable that plugs into the display and throttle, because that's the only thing that I can think to replace the only thing I can think that's left to replace besides the battery, which of course is going to be really expensive. So any advice in the comments would be really helpful. I'm feeling pretty stuck here.